What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing a little something different. We're gonna start this new series called Warzone Diaries, where it's basically all your trials to do a challenge put in one, and it's put together in a pretty funny way, and it's to have fun and poke fun and keep Warzone fresh. So that's what we're gonna do. This is gonna lead into the video, but I just wanted to thank everyone for being here, and thanks for stopping by. Warzone Diaries. God, I hate Warzone. All right, let's get this going. Let's get our first attempt on the road. Make sure we got everything set up all right. Only thing I'm between right now is if I'm going to use the XRK long shot adverse barrel, which speeds up the fire rate and stuff, or the XRK long shot advantage, where that seems to make sense for Warzone, but a lot of the time you're getting killed up close. I wonder if it's just better to have what it is. I don't know, screw it. Let's just go with what we got. Going into solos for our first game. Here we go. First round, baby. Looking for a dub, first round. I don't know why I just thought of this, but I really want a kitten. A fresh kitten. Where do we want to land? I don't understand.
Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
I found this if you need.
Why I hate every spot on this map. Just go TV. We'll do this get our feet wet. We'll get our chainsaw, and then we're gonna win the game. It's fair for the game. And there we'll go, off to the races. Hey, and our box is here. Yay!
Objective located.
Synthetic dreams, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Did I say I hate Warzone? All right, baby, show me the money. We're close to a drop. Oh, God. What are you thinking, huh? Gonna sit here like that? Be a scary little man? You got a gun called the Banisher and you didn't use it on me. There we go. Let's get some cash there. Let's get this drop. Some self-res too. There we go. It's a good start, everybody. Chainsaw. Boom. All right, people. Now we go. This is where history is started. Can't pick up anything else other than the chainsaw, and I can only use the chainsaw. So we're gonna have to try and keep these fights pretty close quarters if we want any success, because as you can see, you can't ADS. Just hear something? What the? Hello? Classic, you can't even see the heartbeat sensor when you use the chainsaw attachment because it messes it up. They probably didn't think about that. Wow. All right, well, history in the making already. Oh, somebody's here. There we go.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
There we go. First kill. First kill. Get another UAV. Fuck. Look what happens. You guys see that? So stupid.
Win this fight and you return to
I'm really upset.
lose, you're done.
No, at least we get a decent, like, competitive gun in the gulag. Oh, God. Alright, we made it out. You know, it could have been worse. It's not over till the fat lady sings. Why are there so many? Okay, it's over now.
You fought hard out.
Do you guys think mummies can chew gum? I was just sitting here and I'm like, you know, they probably have like messed up jaws. I don't know if they can chew gum. I feel bad for them. I love gum. Pack is down. Time to chainsaw it up. Choo choo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Let's continue.
Beat them down or capture the objective. We're competing. Back.
Let's try this again, shall we? TV station. Perfect.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Hunt the enemy down.
Just save my own life. More? Oh! God, stupid shotgun, bro. Scared the hell out of me. Doesn't matter because I'm getting my chainsaw. Ink. What was that? Got him. Made your point very clear. We almost just lost that fight.
Away.
Tensions are high. The tensions are high, and we have to run across a wide open field. Perfect. Get here. Ball right there.
There, moving.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ooh. Jesus.
Under 10 to go. Keep fighting.
The challenge.